on YouTube. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get leads and emails by using Clickfunnels. So guys, if you are getting value out of the training today, just make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, because I'm going to be doing step-by-step tutorials. I'm going to be uploading new videos every single week, talking about webinars, talking about member areas, talking about different types of training, product funnels, you name it. I'm going to be doing a video on it. So what I'm going to do today is I just want to make it very simple for you, very step by step. I'll outline some of the features in Clickfunnels, and I'm going to talk about today about getting leads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my example funnel of what I do on here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set one up, and what we're going to do is just set one up together. So I'm going to click on funnels, and what the purpose of is today is to actually get leads. So we're not going to worry about selling products or doing a webinar to sell anything high ticket, even though that's one of the things I've got on here. So to get a funnel, so you go on to add new. So you go and create new funnel. It's going to come up with 3. So obviously if you want to sell something, if you want to do a webinar, it's on here. For today, we will cover these in other videos, but for today, we're going to go and collect emails. So the idea of how you collect an email is you must offer something of value in order to give someone a reason to get their email from there. So a quality lead magnet. So what we're going to call the funnel today is, let's just say fitness leads. Yeah, you can do a little tag on there. So we're going to pretty much do the same thing on there. Okay, so now let's go on to, let's call it fitness, that's fine. Build funnel. So that is going to take us through. So guys, as well, if you see here, it does have a little explainer video. So if you wanted any more details, it will tell you what to do. But pretty much, these are the 2 steps: an email page and a thank you page. So sorry, it's being a little bit slow. So this is all it is really. It's only a 2-step funnel. So it's a great place to start if you are new to ClickFunnels. So it hasn't got a sales, a webinar. You can add these elements in, but for today, ClickFunnels is very good at just giving you the steps automatically. So if you wanted to do a sales page webinar, use the webinar funnel or use the product funnel on there. So ClickFunnels will already do this for you. So as you can see on here, here's a ton of templates. What's good about ClickFunnels is they've made these templates based on performance. So these examples are actually stuff that performs very, very highly. So it's very good to use their template, and then it's so easy just to copy and paste, chop and change different things. So just at random, I'm going to collect this funnel on here, and then the first page is going to be your opt-in page. Okay, so the idea of this page is you just want to get like an email. So obviously this could be your product image. So you could say download the top 10 fat loss tips for men. Whatever it might be. I'm not going to use the best catching titles. This is just an example. And then on here, you can just copy and paste this. So just example, guys, how I help men. So it could be your niche: overcome binge eating in these simple steps without giving up the weekend. So that's on there. Obviously you can change the colors. You can go into here, different colors. So text color, font size, you can change that as well. You can drag this higher or lower if you want to. So product image, you can pretty much add in your own image. If you want to keep to the style of the funnel, you can just get rid of everything and do your own funnel from scratch. So obviously here it does a lot of it for you. So it's already got the buttons done for you here. And then obviously you can chop and change, like you might write in some of the benefits on here as well. So if you wanted to get rid of that, nice and simple, just go onto there. And then if I wanted to add in a new image now, I can go add element. I can scroll down, image. When it's got the orange line, that's where you can drop something. Then I can go onto here. Say I wanted to add in my own thing on here, so I could do a picture of myself. These are some of my existing products, so I'm going to do this product on here, so I can change the size of this as well. So I can add in my own little image on here. Obviously nothing to do with that, it's more to do with content, but it gives you an example because obviously you can add your own little fitness picture in here and things like that. So that's just a little example of how that works. So I can just delete that. You don't have to have a picture there. It just, remember the funnels they give you are actually proven to work. So it is sometimes good to do this on here. So that's pretty much it. So what they do is they put in their email, and then it will come up with a pop-up. So once they pop it in here, they get access now. It will come up with a little, this one actually hasn't got a pop-up, but the one I do has it. So this one, all you would do is they'd put in the name and email, and then that will just take them to the thank you page. So then they just go to a page here. So then you can do select a template here. So you could do a little video on here saying thank you so much for signing up. Here's going to be your next steps, or just a quick breakdown of that. So let's go and edit page. So again, you can do anything you want on this one. So thanks for signing up. So using that example, so whatever it might be, that cheat sheet is on its way to your inbox right now. And then you might say something here like, whilst you're here, guys, join the Facebook community, whatever it might be. So if I wanted to add something like join to a Facebook group, what I could do here is I could go on to settings, so set action, and then I could put in my Facebook group URL and then save that there. And then what it will do is it will say button action and then your Facebook group URL. So if you want to actually collect your leads in a Facebook group as well as having their email, then you can do that on the thank you page. So what I'm going to do now, that's some of the features. Let's go through my example funnel. I haven't got the thank you page set up, I've just got the first page, but I'll show you how it works. So this is my funnel, so the Lead Stampede group traffic. So on this one, I don't have the thank you page set up, so I'm going to go through it with you. Actually, I think I do have the thank you page on this one. Let's go on preview. So what you can see on here is, this is my Lead Stampede training on here. So I've got all of this stuff on here. I've got a little YouTube video that I've uploaded, so you can just drag like the YouTube, the video element, and you can embed your YouTube video. Just go on YouTube, paste the URL, and it will come up like this. So a few benefits about myself, this kind of stuff. So that's like a little example funnel that you can use. I've made this one very simple because I'm just doing this for group traffic. This is something I put on my Instagram or my Facebook page. I just want to make it simple. I don't really need a thank you page on this one because the steps are quite simple. So all I do is I go and join the group, and then they go to my Facebook group, my new group called the Lead Stampede, and then I add them into my group, and then they can get access to all of my different trainers and stuff like that. So this is my little group on here. As you can see, I'm uploading a lot of different videos and stuff like that. So that's my little heading. So on here, obviously I connect with my group, I upload a lot of training, a lot of videos of myself just kind of talking, checking in with everyone, giving them value, uploading little modules and things to do, like making a story. So that's something I use it for. Obviously you can, if you're just getting their email, that'll go to their inbox, and then you'd want to get a thank you page. Because I'm getting them in a group, I'm not really doing a thank you page on there. So if this was to be an email opt-in instead, which I can change, then I could add a thank you page after. Okay, so that's pretty much what you can do with those. So that's some of the features. You can chop and change it. It's very good to use. If you do have any questions on this, just drop it below. Again, it is quite a simple funnel. It's a good place to start because it's only 2 steps. So the steps are, guys, just build out that first page, get the emails, and then build a thank you page, or you can just do the 1 page and drive them straight into a group. So thanks a lot, guys. I hope you have a good day. Any questions, let me know.